Officially, Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro smartphones will be presented on September 19. On this day, the European debut of smartphones will immediately take place. This week, we already learned the official date for the premiere of the next generation iPhone smartphones. They will debut at the Apple special event on September 10th. And now the date of the premiere of the new flagship of Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro has finally been officially confirmed. Huawei has officially confirmed that they have been talking on the web for several weeks now. The company announced in a teaser on social networks that the new Mate 30 flagship lineup will be unveiled on September 19th in Munich. The tagline for the upcoming event is "Rethink Possibilities." Also in the message, the company alludes to a circular chamber, which is the main design element in the leaks of the Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. At this stage, the promotion page of the upcoming announcement is open, where it can also take part in the competition in order to become part of the content creation team for Huawei and join the Huawei community for subsequent discussions of the Mate 30. As seen in the teaser video, these smartphones will be presented on September 19th at special event in Munich. Given the place of the premiere, one might think that the devices will soon go on sale in Europe. No characteristics of the new products are officially confirmed, but the circle in the teaser clearly hints at the cameras. The Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro should take photos and videos much better than its predecessor. And these same models are the main contenders for the leadership in the DxO Mark rating. The European presentation gives some hope that concerns about Google services on Mate 30 will not be confirmed. Until the indicated date of the presentation, Huawei will have another announcement, Kirin 990 at IFA 2019, which will form the basis of the Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. Also, rumors point to a full-screen 2.0, an older Face ID face scanner, a quad camera with 248 megapixel sensors, a fingerprint scanner on the screen, the second generation of reverse wireless charging, and EMUI 10 on Android 10. We are waiting for new message on the issue showdown with the US authorities, which will clarify a lot on the Mate 30. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.